Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 21. So let's get started. So this is the Glass Dildo number 21 by Gildo itself. Now this is a very unique dildo which is made entirely out of transparent glass with blue stripes and dots as well, which are very stimulating during use. The dildo has a tapered tip on either side, so it can be used both anally and vaginally as well. Both sides can be used for penetration and are provided with ribbed and napped shaft, which is the studs just here and the ribbing just here, for extra stimulation during use. Glass sex toys are safe to use in combination with any type of lubricant or condoms as well. You can also use temperature play with this glass dildo. For example, you can put it in cold water and enjoy cooler sensations, or put it in warm water for warmer sensations. You can use any type of lubricant you want, for example, water-based lubricant or even silicone-based lubricants. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag to pop your glass dildo in. This helps to keep it discreet and dust-free. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 21. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.